In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add two colors in Canva. If you've ever wanted that smooth, modern blend of two colors on an element, often called a gradient, this is a quick and reliable way to do it right inside your Canva project. Start by opening your project so you can see the design on your canvas. Click to select the element you want to color. Keep in mind, this feature doesn't work on every single element in Canva. Shapes generally work well, and many basic elements do too, but some complex graphics or imported items might not support gradients. If you click an element and don't see the right options appear, try selecting a simple shape instead so you can follow along. With your element selected, look up to the toolbar at the top of the screen. You'll see the color tile for your element. Click that to open the color panel. In the color panel, find the section labeled Document Colors. Under that section, click the plus sign to add a new color. A color window will open, and here's the key part. Switch to the Gradient tab. This is where you can combine two colors on the same element. Inside the Gradient tab, you'll see color stops that control each end of the blend. Click the first stop to choose your first color, then select the second stop to choose your second color. You can use the color picker, type a hex code for precision, or sample from existing colors in your design for consistency. If the order feels off, swap the colors or adjust which stop is which so the gradient flows the way you want. Now, look for the style options within the gradient settings. Here, you can change how the colors blend. For example, choose a linear style for a left to right or top to bottom transition, or a radial style for a center out effect. Adjust the angle or direction so the blend aligns with your layout, and tweak the intensity until it looks smooth on your element. Keep an eye on the canvas as you make changes. What you see is what you'll get. When you're happy with the result, simply click away from the panel to apply your changes. That's all there is to it. Remember, if the Gradient tab or options don't show up, the selected element likely doesn't support gradients. So pick a compatible shape and try again. You've just added two colors to an element in Canva using the built-in gradient tools. Save your project, and you're ready to go.